how are you? I hope you and your loved ones are doing well and are healthy. Today we're opening up a GlobeIn box. I'm super excited. If you guys have been around, you know I love GlobeIn. Today we're opening up the Refresh box. This box I have not received before. GlobeIn has so many amazing boxes. If you have never seen any of my GlobeIn videos, I will definitely link my playlist down below. They're very fun. So I now have a code with GlobeIn as well. So I'm going to link GlobeIn down below, and I will also put my promo code. So with my code you get 50% off your first box. And normally before the discount or after the discount, after your first month, it is $40, and then there is a shipping charge, and I think it's totally worth it. Everything that comes in the GlobeIn boxes are from artisans around the world, and GlobeIn helps them get fair wages, and there's a story behind each item, and I just love it. My house is seriously full of GlobeIn items. It is amazing. It always comes in this box. They also have an amazing add-on shop, so when you're a subscriber, you can shop and get great deals and great stuff that will ship with your box, so it's super awesome. I've gone a little add-on crazy in the past. Yeah, let's get started and get this box open. Oh, and I will also link down below my active giveaway I have going on that runs through the end of the month. This is what it looks like when I open up the box. So it's the GlobeIn Refresh box. And inside there is a note from the curator of this box. It says, "Hey cool cucumbers, picture yourself trudging across an endless desert plain. You're exhausted, you're parched, you're unbelievably bored. But then in the distance, could it be a refreshing oasis? A vision encouraging you to take a load off and relax, just like our Refresh box. The items in this collection will make you say, ah, that's better, and they're no mirage. They're real and here to revive you." And then it talks a little bit about the items. So everything in this box is supposed to help us refresh. And then on the other pages, it will talk about what country, like location your items came from, and it will even show you like who the creators were. It's super awesome. So I will show you guys this or reference this as we go through. So the first thing I see looks so beautiful. I think this is, let's see, by Wild Works, made with pride in Kenya. It's made with 100% cotton, and it says wildlife, forest, and community. So I think this could be like one of those multi-purpose things, like a blanket or a shawl. Isn't that so pretty? Yeah, so here you could see this woman, oh, it looks like she's gonna have a baby by her pose, wearing it as a shawl. But this is the Kiko, I could be saying that wrong, K-I-K-O-I blanket, handmade in Kenya. And then they show one of the makers here named Margaret. And it says, Margaret had a dream. She wanted to be a nurse, but in rural Kenya in the 70s, many families did not see a need for educating their female children. So Margaret was never given a chance to even try. At first, she defied her parents' wishes and attended high school, but soon she was forced to leave for lack of tuition funds. Her options were to get married or get a job. Margaret's striving spirit has nonetheless lived on, and Wildlife Works Eco Factory has given her what she always wanted, the opportunity to work hard towards a goal. Staying after hours to learn how to use the electronic sewing machine, Margaret now dreams of starting her own fashion shop. And then they give some suggested uses, but isn't that a great story? Like, I love hearing about it. Like how she came through that. Oh, can you imagine being denied an education? That's sad. But this is so nice. I love it. I'm like sweating right now, or else I would put it around me. It's so hot. I'm like blasting my ear, but I'm still sweaty. It's 88. I knew it was higher than usual. Oh my gosh. So let's move on to the next item. Looks like we have some tea here. This is by Level Ground Trading. Lemongrass Citronelle 20 tea pyramid. Bright, crisp, refreshing. So we've got some refreshing like lemon tea, nice. All right, so this tea was handmade in Sri Lanka, and it says it's harvest time. RJ is a small scale spice grower. His lemongrass is carefully harvested and then blended with spices to become our lemongrass tea. Usually there's a lemongrass harvest in January. Due to poor irrigation and drought, there was no lemongrass to be harvested. Finally, by the end of February, the rain started again. After 8 weeks of growing, it's finally harvest time. We are excited to receive the lemongrass and other teas midway through the summer. Supporting small scale often means patience as we wait for rain, harvest, and product to arrive. Patience allows for fair payment to small scale farmers. Thank you. And then for suggested use, it says, as a pick-me-up or a slow-me-down at any time of day, you can drink it hot or iced. I think drinking it iced sounds great right now. Next up, we have something wrapped up nicely. Ooh, I think it's a cup. They always wrap their items really well so they arrive safely. This is beautiful. Ignore my nails. I was lazy and now I'm kind of just avoiding leaving the house, like I'm sure a lot of us are. But this is so pretty. Let's find it in here. So this is made in Morocco. It's the Moroccan tea glass. And it says, it may feel surprising to think of the desert country of Morocco as a place with tea culture, but imagine sips of sweet mint sprucing up a sultry afternoon and you begin to get the picture. Now imagine this sweet treat being served in ornate glassware, the color of the Sultan's jewels, and the picture becomes complete. Hand blown from recycled glass and hand painted, your glass may be charmed with imperfections. Casablanca Market sources its handmade Mediterranean goods mainly from female artisans, enterprises of Morocco and Tunisia, and it acknowledges that women form the backbone of their families and communities and are thus a locus of change. So suggested use, fill a tea, water, wine, coffee, juice, or you can even use it as a candle holder. And this says to hand wash only. This is beautiful. I love the colors. Love that so much. And it's so fitting because we got that with tea, so I can have some tea in there. And then we have a hat. This is perfect for a sunny, oh gosh, I just curled my hair. I don't want to mess up my hair, but this is so cute. So I could use this here in Florida now. Some people could go on vacation, use it if you don't live somewhere as hot as where I do, or, you know, it's finally spring almost. Warm weather is around the corner. So this sun hat was made in Mexico, and it says, take refuge from solar oppression under the wide protective brim of your new sun hat. Your hat was woven from the leaves of dried palms into its full SPF glory by our friends in Oaxaca. I can never say this town in Mexico, I'm sorry. So Abundia from Tomalin learned to weave when she was just 5. Today she is 82 and an expert at the craft. So why can she hardly make enough to reach minimum wage? Well, a good sun hat in the US could easily go for $50. Buyers there are acclimated to low prices and weavers are timid to ask for more. Enter GlobeIn. We pay double what Abundia, the creator of this hat, usually makes, and in doing so encourages her to own the value of her work and demand a fair price for good. And it tells you, don't let the sun zap you, sport your new hat on walks and hikes in the garden and at the beach. And here you can see the woman we were just talking about in that picture there. Isn't that great learning all of the stories behind the items? I just love it so much. So that was everything that came in our box. I think it was great and it totally goes with the theme Refresh. So I think this is just beautiful. I don't know if I even did justice trying to show you guys this. So there are some fringes at the end, and look at this. I can't believe people make these. It just blows my mind how talented some people are. Here, I'll put it around me just for a second. So you can wear it as a shawl, or you can bring it with you to the beach, or just use it as a blanket. This would make a great blanket here where I live since it is hot. How many times can I say that in all my videos? But I'm sweating here. Am I glowing? I'm looking in the monitor. So I think that blanket and as well as this glass are my favorite items. I also appreciate the hat as well because as you can tell, I am very fair skinned despite living in the Sunshine State. I try and protect my skin all the time, so this will be perfect when I go to the beach or go boating or anything like that. And I love lemon flavored anything really, so I'm really excited to try this tea, so the lemon tea. So I will definitely have some of that. Maybe after this video I'll have some iced tea that will cool me off. So that was everything. Again, I'm going to link GlobeIn down below along with the GlobeIn playlist, and I will list my promo code down below if you want to take advantage of that and save 50% off your first box. And I will link down below my giveaway. So my giveaway is included in my BoxyLuxe video, and it is a beauty giveaway and ends March 31st. So yeah, all the good information is always down below. But anyways, thank you all so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely did. I hope you have a great day. Be safe. I hope you're all healthy. I know I said that in the beginning of the video. I don't want to dwell on it. YouTube is a place for me to go and forget my problems. So I'm hoping that's what you guys are doing. You know, a lot of people are staying in, so I know I'll be watching a lot of YouTube. But yeah, just sending positive vibes your way. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.